My project is detection of chronic heart failure by using Rfam. So here we are downloaded some of the packages in the Windows. So by that by downloading this packages, as well as we are written some of the code to run this project. So based on that we are finded this thing. So now I am going to show how it going to execute for you. Just a minute, guys. uh, See here the interface. Here by default we are clicking the run on that, it's going to came the interface like this. So you can observe your title of the project also, detection of chronic heart failure from heart sounds and using Rfam. So these are the things are available in my project. So these are the main functions which are used in this. First one is upload psycho.net. So we need dataset to upload here. So I'm taking dataset folder, I'm selecting that. Later I want to select some of the features in that, so I upload a dataset here. So by after uploading that, we supposed to pre-process. The process of ML thing is we supposed to pre-process the things, because the dataset may be anything, right? So we're supposed to pre-process it. So it's showing the normal heart records and abnormal heart records according to my data set. So what I uploaded the data set regarding that, it's going to show and variations in such a way. So this is the thing where we can observe. So whatever data you uploaded, it going to show in such a way. So you can see in a normal numerical format also. See, the normal form is 117 and abnormal is 288. Later I am going to run this model with one algorithm, that is FA and FS, by using ML algorithm. So it also going to give accuracy, sensitivity, specificity. These are the three things which are observed by using these things. Later I am going to run by DL model. Now in just now we are run with ML algorithms. Now we are run with DL algorithms. So after applying DL algorithms, we can observe here the accuracy, sensitivity, specificity are increased. If you observe, these things are increased. So it is very efficiently working. And one more feature is there, by combination of ML and DL algorithm, we are running on this, we are getting so accuracy. See, in this graph it shows clearly only using ML algorithm, only using DL algorithm, and is the combination of ML and DL. So you can see more accuracy, sensitivity, specificity in combination of this. That is the reason our project name itself is Rfam. That is the thing. So recording feature aggregate model. Aggregate is the combination of ML and DL model. So this is the things where we can observe in a perfectly in graph things. So by applying those two models, we are getting high accuracy and all those things. So it's a perfect feature for our project. Later we are going to upload a person data. So these are the persons. Whatever data you can upload in this, just keep it on this, then it shows whether it is normal or abnormal. So this is the process, this is my project, whether the person is in a normal position or abnormal position.